can teach you how to shop in under 15 minutes. Let me fill you in on my secret. Hi, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel. We here talk about everything beauty and lifestyle. So if that's your jam, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And let's get straight into the video. Yes, it is possible to shop in and under 15 minutes. My mom always wonders how I make it in and under 1 hour. Let's put aside the 15 minutes of drive going there coming back, so excluding half an hour, so I take only about half an hour at the mall. How is that possible? I honestly am a very punctual person. I'm going to be there 5 minutes before the designated time and I'm going to wait. I'm always going to be early to everything. My secret is I know what to get, where to get, and how to get it before I even enter the mall. My Capricorn personality does not allow me to be indecisive. I need to have a certain plan of action, an SOP, standard operation procedure, like a couple of questions that I answer before I find the need to shop anything. How do I know what I want? That's the process. That's the fun part. This is where you ask yourself a couple of questions and you ultimately come with a visual picture of it. Step 1. Why do I need to shop? What is the occasion? Shopping can be just something that makes you happy, something like a recreational activity, but shopping consciously is something that you should keep in mind. Fast fashion sure is cheaper, but it is very expensive to our environment. Is it a formal event or is it a seasonal purchase? If it is a seasonal purchase, it is best to invest in items like coats, jackets, sweaters, as it is a long-term investment. Following a trend-based shopping experience is bound to be wasteful and you have to purchase very often. Step number 2. When is the event? Your outfit depends on what season it is, what time of the year, and what time of the day it is. If it is the winter season, that helps you pick colors that are more darker in nature, and if it is a summer event, you incline towards colors like yellow, blue, something vibrant, something like a red or maybe a white. The season also helps you determine what kind of fabric you should be wearing. Whites and florals make more of a summer vibe and they are very breezy when put together with cotton fabric. For winters, we prefer suede, we prefer wool, and we prefer colors like maroons, reds, browns, blacks, somewhere there. Trends make a very crucial part of your shopping experience. Trends also help you determine what kind of style are you looking for when you're looking to shop for a garment. Step number 3. What is your aesthetic, aka vibe? This is when Pinterest comes to play. This is where you go ahead and have a brief scroll through your Pinterest and make a mood board of what is it that you're actually looking for. It helps you determine celebrity style and their influence on fashion today. Step number 4. What accessories can I use? So accessories make a huge difference to your outfit. They can change your look from a 5 to a 10, but if you avoid accessories, it can make your look from a 10 to a 5. Even the color plays a huge part. While I'm an individual that prefers vibrant, bright colors, I love color blocking to its max. I love 2 colors in my outfit. I will go above and beyond to make it a look. There is only one rule to styling, and that is contrasting. It depends on the intensity of the contrast, be it with your skin tone, be it with denim, be it with the top that you're wearing or your accessories. There needs to be some level of contrast in it. This is not only applicable to clothing but other spheres of life like construction, interior designing, fashion designing. I cannot even imagine in what not do we use this color theory. This is the rule that I go by every single time I have to style myself. Golden and silver are the safest color choices for accessories. Silver is the color that usually goes with every cool toned color, and golden is the color that goes with warm colors. But if you're looking to experiment in your styling, accessories is the best option to start with. You can start by switching up colors in your accessory range for the next time you go and purchase it. You always need a bag, a pair of shoes, scarves, earrings, necklace, belts, hat, and whatnot. You need to make your way to the bags and find what is it that you want to accessorize it with. Step number 5. Can you make 5 outfits with this? This is the secret behind my efficient, conscious, effective shopping, and that is if I can make 5 outfits with what I want to purchase. If I close my eyes and visualize all my clothes in my existing wardrobe, I can pair it with different things. I need to be pairing that article with about 5 outfits, 5 different outfits. If I'm able to make 5 outfits that are already existing in my wardrobe, that's a buy. That's when you should not look back or second out your purchase. You should be going in and grabbing that article. I have had all my outfits in my mind. Have you seen Black Mirror? That season 1 in the last episode, I think that's the third one, that has a reference of this when like you have a lens attached to your eyes and like you can go back to the memories, go forward, go back, and all of that stuff. That's something that I have for my closet in my eye. After some time that you've been consciously making these questions your every time checklist for shopping, you are going to start adapting this in everything and anything at all. And this is just going to be something that you subconsciously do. I'll let you in on another secret. Shop on weekdays rather than shopping on weekends. Friday morning, 11 a.m. is the time when malls open up, at least in India. And 11:30 is the best time for you to reach the mall. Don't ask me why. Even if you like didn't, I would still come and tell you. That is because every Friday there's a restock. They reshuffle the clothing, they replace the products, and they bring in new stock every Friday morning. So that should be ideally done by Thursday evening. But Friday 11 a.m. is the best time to reach the mall. The staff has just started their shifts and they're neutral with their thoughts because it's just the morning. They're always ready to help you, and the checkout queue is not that long. The checkout queue doesn't exist. This is my life secret, and I deserve a new subscriber. That is you. If you made it this far, thank you. Step number 6. Can I maintain it? This is a crucial question to ask yourself. Can you maintain it? Do you have the space to keep it? Like if I'm at the mall, I see a fur coat, I want to buy it. I want to go get it. And I can make 5 outfits out of this. But can I maintain it? I don't know. I don't think so. I do not have the space to keep it. I do not have the means to take care of a fur coat. It would not be a conscious choice, but something that I'm just indecisively spending on. For starters, it is going to be expensive. A fur coat is not cheap. It is an investment that you're making for the next 5 winters. That is a sense of dedication that you should have while spending that kind of money. This particular question helps me keep myself grounded. Step number 7, the budget. The budget should be the least of your concerns. It only helps you determine from where and how you're going to procure something. If I want to get a sweater and it's just going to be a casual sweater, that is when I think of a budget that would be for a sweater. I would like to keep it between from 1500 to 4000 Indian rupees. So there are a lot of brands that would be offering sweaters at the range of 1500 to 4500. Some of them could be Zara, H&M, Forever 21 being the basic. Being my favorite, I would like to go to H&M rather than going to Zara. You get the same thing. Everything can be cheap and expensive at the same time. You can find the same article in a wholesale market like Sarojini Nagar in Delhi, and you can find the same stuff at a mall in a store under a good brand name. Question is very personal and unique to everybody. I don't think I'm missing out on anything, am I? Oh, this is tough. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you like my video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. It is goodbye for today. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next Friday, 3:45 p.m. Bye.